this is your online tutor, Mr. Like. Kindly like and from my YouTube channel for more of such content. So basically, in today's lesson, we're going to look at some of the questions on polygons, okay, on the test that we did. Okay, so our first question says the sum of, we're given this question, okay, the interior angle of the following polygon is 540. Okay, find the value of x. So in this particular case, this is a five-sided polygon. So the sum of the interior angle of a pentagon is given by the formula n minus 2 multiplied by 180. So in this particular case, our n is the number of sides. So this particular polygon has 5 sides. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has got 5 sides. So we're going to say 5 is the number of sides. Okay. Then we're going to subtract 5 minus 2 according to our formula multiplied by 180. So this is giving us 3. 3 multiplied by 180. This is going to give us 540. Okay. So this is where the 540 is coming from. Okay. Then from there, we are now going to work out what is in the bracket, or what is, for us to find the value of x. So we're going to add everything. So here there is a 90 degrees angle. So this is where we're getting the 90 degrees. So plus 150 degrees plus 2x plus 5x plus 110, which is equals to 540. Okay. From there, we're going to collect the right terms. So when we collect the right terms, okay, as illustrated above, so when we add this and this, when we add 90 plus 150 plus 110, we get 330. Then when we add 2x plus 5x, we get 7x, which is equals to 540. From there, we correct our like terms. Okay, so we're going to remain with 7x is equals to 540. So when this 330 crosses the equal sign, it becomes negative, and we're going to have our answer as 330. So for us to find for the value of x, we're going to divide those sides by 7. Okay, so when we divide those sides by 7, the 7 here will cancel, just remain with an x. And when we divide 21 divided by 7 is 3. So, and when we divide 0 divided by 7 is just 0. So our answer, our value of x is 30 degrees. So therefore, when we substitute here our 30, we're going to get this angle which is there, and also the angle which is there, and the sum is going to give us 540. Thank you. So this is our first question, and this is how we are supposed to answer this particular question. Okay, so we go to question 2. Question 2 says we're given this kite. Okay, well, we're given this kite. Express the terms of x of the sum of the interior angles in a single form. So this is a quadrilateral. It is a four-sided polygon. Okay, so a four-sided polygon adds up to 360. Okay, so the sum of the interior angles of the kite. Okay, so this kite is, the interior angles of the quadrilateral is 360. So when you subtract our n is 4 in this particular case, so we subtract 4 minus 2, then multiplied by 180. This gives us 360. Okay, so express the sum of the interior angles in the form of x. So how are we going to express this? We're going to add all our elements, okay, so which is 3 open bracket 2x plus 30, then plus open bracket 3x plus 30, then 2x plus 30. So in this particular case, when we work out what is in the bracket, we remove the brackets, then we collect our like terms. In this particular case, we have 3x plus 2x plus 3x plus 2x, we get 10x. Then 30 plus 30 plus 30, we get 90 as our answer. So therefore, this is our answer. So we have been told to express in the form of x. So this is our answer for this particular question. Okay, question 3 says calculate the sum of the interior angles of a polygon with 9 sides. So how are we going to calculate? We're going to use our formula. The sum of an interior angle is equals to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. So in this particular case, our n is 9. So we're going to say 9 minus 2 multiplied by 180. So we're going, when we subtract 9 minus 2, we get 7 multiplied by 180. This is going to give us 1260. Okay, so this is our answer, and 60 degrees. So this is basically how we are supposed to go about this particular question. Okay. Okay, then question 4 says the following diagram, PR is parallel to QR angle PAR is 60 and angle is 30. Find angle PSQ. So angle PSQ. So the angle they want us to find is basically this one. So how are we going to work out this particular question? So the sum of the angles RPS and RQ, when we add them, it's going to give us fit, we're going to have 70 degrees. Okay, so whenever we have okay, so whenever we have since PQ is parallel to the causative index of the angle of the supplementary, okay, therefore we the sum, okay, of the interior angle will add up to 180. So this is where we're getting this 180. So angle PSQ, okay, plus 70 is equals to 180. So in this particular case, this will cross the equal sign, so it's going to be 180 minus 70, which is just going to be 110. So our final answer here is just 110. Okay, so this is B as our answer. Okay, then our last question, question 5. The triangle below the triangle below has angle x, x and y. Find the value of x. So every triangle adds up to 180. So in this particular case, we're going to say x plus 2x plus 3x, which is equals to 180. Okay, so when we add up all this, we're going to have 6x is equals to 180. So we are now going to divide those sides by 6. So we're going to have 6, this 6 and this 6 is going to cancel. It's going to remain with x. Then 180 divided by 6 is going to give us 30 degrees. So this is basically how we are supposed to answer this particular question. Okay, so thank you very much. We have an exercise for you here, so you can try to work out this particular question. Okay, so you can try to answer this question. So make sure you pause the video and watch this particular question. So thank you very much for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This has been Mr. Ilaki, your online tutor. Thank you. Stay blessed.